Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and fix itch.io fail to fetch game bug. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. So the first thing you need to do is simply go ahead into your installed items on your library, and all you need to do is simply go ahead and right click on manage, click on this button right over here, and just click on reinstall right over here, and also check for update. So when you've done that, it's going to simply go ahead and understand if it is completely updated, all the files are correct or not. And I hope that has solved your problem. However, if it is still not solving your problem, what you want to do is firstly uninstall and just reinstall back. However, the second thing you need to do is simply go into your internet settings, network and internet settings, go to Ethernet, go to your DNS server assignment. It's going to look something like that for you. Just change it to manual, turn on IPv4. On the preferred DNS, write 8.8.8.8, and on the alternate DNS, write 8.8.4.4, and close that. And the other thing you need to do is go to command prompt, run as administrator, click on yes, and now simply go ahead and write netsh space winsock space reset. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and restart the computer, and that is it. Your problem should be solved. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.